I started when I was young talaga. Parang yung parents ko kasi kumakanta silang dalawa. So, yun, tinuruan nila ako, ganyan and all. Parang free lang. I felt that I am a singer when I was, I guess, 8 or 7 years old. And then, yun, tuloy-tuloy na siya. Sumali ako ng singing contest sa Boracay kasi taga doon yung may mga relatives ako doon. And then I only went to Boracay for vacation, but then parang nagustuhan ko ng todo yung place, so I stayed there. But then naubusan ako ng pera, and then may nakita akong poster na singing contest and all. So I joined. Tapos nung nakuha ko yung money, I went home. It's the only time na nag-join ako ng contest. Yun lang kasi it's I joined kasi emergency siya kasi wala akong pera. So, yun lang. So, hindi na ako nag-join again. R&B and soul po, hindi yun yung types of genres na sinimulan ko. Nagsimula ako sa jazz and then nag-pop ako and then nag-reggae ako before and then parang natripan ko yung rock and parang yun. And then, pagka high school, narinig ko first sila Neo, Chris Brown, and then parang I fell in love with R&B. So, yun, tinuloy-tuloy ko na siya. Hindi mo naman kailangan pagdaanan lahat. It's not a necessity. You just have to... pero it helps you explore more sa field ng music. Parang dun mo malalaman kung saan ka comfortable, saan ka mas okay na kantahin itong mga songs na to, ganyan. Because as an artist, as a singer, hindi ka naman talaga kahon. Parang pwede mo namang kantahin lahat. Dun ka lang magstay kung saan ka comfortable. I realized na isa na akong official singer is nung time na kinuha ko ni Kian to sign for like a record label niya. And yun, naka-release na ako ng songs. So, parang masasabi ko na sa sarili ko na I'm an artist. I'm officially an artist.
Si Waki Kiray, nakasama ko sa I Can See Your Voice. One time, tumawag sa akin. So, meron siyang gig sa Bukidnon. And then sabi niya sa akin, alam niya na may record label ako. So sabi niya, dude, meron ako nakitang artist, you're gonna love this, pasok sa label mo to, ganyan, check it out. And then, sinend niya sa akin yung link nung YouTube, ganyan. Tapos sobra ako na-capture kagad kasi ang ganda ng boses, ang galing magsulat ng kanta. Ayun, so next thing we did, we flew him in, we signed him a record deal, and yeah, nandito na siya ngayon. And he has a fast-rising song called Binhi.
At first, yung naramdaman ko talaga is parang natakot ako kasi parang eto na yun. This is the dream that I've been dreaming for. And eto na yung parang hinihintay ko talaga ever since I was in high school. Na parang gusto kong mag-release ng songs. So yun, parang kinabahan ako. But at the same time, I was excited na i-pursue yung passion ko sa music.